Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss and this is my personal summer hair hacks. In this video, we're going to talk about my 4 quick hacks to ensure that your hair, your color, your tiara you never take off looks great all summer. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with the hair tips or makeup or whatever silly little DIY project I'm working on. So yeah, join me. Let's get right into it, guys. So first and foremost, it's summer. We're all gonna be hitting the swimming pool. How do we protect our color? So, okay, easy. I'm very particular about my color, so I don't so much. When I'm in the swimming pool, I may not even put my hair in the water, but just in case, what we're gonna do is we are going to use a heavy natural oil to keep the chemicals out of our hair without putting a bunch of chemicals into the pool as well. You know, you don't want whatever you have in your hair leaking into the pool, and then the person who owns the pool is like, oh my god, why do I have all this hairspray and stuff in my pool? It's grimy, it's filmy. Instead, let's go ahead and grab some coconut oil, or some jojoba oil, or some avocado oil, or even some castor oil, or heck, why not some vitamin E oil? Or even almond oil. I say almond oil last because I like to be considerate of the people that I'm going to be, sharing a pool with, and nut allergies are real, so why not take the risk? So basically what you're gonna do is slather in, I'm gonna use some avocado oil. Maybe I'm not, I didn't open this one yet, so I'm gonna use my jojoba oil today. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a little bit of my oil. I'm gonna pull it through my hair. And what I'm doing is creating a protective barrier between my hair and the chemicals in the pool. I also recommend doing this if you're going to be swimming in natural water, or salt water, or fresh water. Let's just keep whatever out of our hair by forming this oil barrier. And again, even if you're swimming in natural water, we're not adding pollutants into the water because we are just using a natural oil. Great, awesome. Hack 1 down. Hack number 2. Okay, guys, my fellow Pell people, sunscreen is the way, the truth, and the light. What does that have to do with hair, Kiss? I'm gonna tell you. So your hair and your skin are made of the same proteins. They're made of the same keratins. They come from the same amino acids. So let's treat them the same. Let's keep the sun damage out of our hair. How can we do that? So I use a spray sunscreen all summer long. Yes, this is 100 SPF. Ooh, my light just died on me. Well, that's okay because I have the windows open. I have this beautiful natural May sunshine coming in. So I'm gonna grab my spray sunscreen, and I literally I go with Neutrogena. Why? Because it's not greasy. It has more of like a powdery fresh finish to it, so it almost acts like a dry shampoo. There we go. We can spray that right into our hair. This is also going to keep the sun off of your scalp. Okay? If you have a little bit more sensitive skin, grab like a spray baby sunscreen. But what you're looking for is for something with a more, I know test it right here in your ditch. You're looking for something with a powdery finish, not like a heavy, oilier sunscreen. Okay? So spray sunscreen right into the hair. This is gonna protect our color from sun fading. It's gonna protect our scalp from the sun. For like shorter hair, why not just style with some sunscreen? Again, I use Neutrogena. It is 100 SPF. I am very protective of my skin in the summer because I do like to look, porcelain, creamy porcelain. So you can just grab a little sunscreen. You've already got to do your ears and neck and everything, so why not just use it like a pomade? Yes. You can totally use a lightweight sunscreen sponge. Again, this is the Neutrogena, so it does have like a light, powdery finish to it. It's not gonna get greasy and gunk up my follicles or my pores. Great. Okay, let's move on to hack number 3, friction free. Okay, so in the summer, I really don't do a lot of heat styling. I'm not really gonna be blowing my hair out or curling or flat ironing. I'm just going to, whatchamacallit, wear my hair natural, usually with just a little bit of leave-in conditioner. If I wanna wear it up though, I recommend going for friction-free styling. We're not gonna use those little banded hair bands that are gonna rip a bunch of your hair out. Y'all, we just came out of quarantine and grew all our beautiful hair out, so let's protect it through the summer when we're just, you know, heading to the beach or going around. So grab yourself a scrunchie or a clip, pack it all up, or go for one of these little friction-free looking foam cords so that you're not getting tangles all summer and you can just whoosh-ha and let your mermaid locks down. Me personally, I have much shorter hair, so I really only need 2 little bobby pins to keep my hair up and off my neck. You know, I just kind of grab it in 2 little sections. And I'm just twisting all my hair up and pinning it away. Great. Friction free, off my neck. We are not gonna worry about it this summer. Let's actually go back to hack number 1 with the swimming pool, because I really wanna mention this to you. If you have highlighted hair or blonde hair and it's a little more on the porous side, sometimes when you go swimming, that chlorine deposits that grain into your hair, and then you've just got this like mossy chlorine buildup in the hair. I cannot stress this enough. Do not try to bleach that out of your hair. It's gonna end in tears. Basically what's happened is the chlorine molecule, which is greener, has attached to the melanin in the hair, the naturally occurring melanin, which is yellow in nature. So it's attached and it's just great. What can we do to get this out? Hit that nonsense with a deep clarifying shampoo. This is when you may want to use something that says sulfates. You're looking for that heavier detergent. Me personally, if I see that green tinge, I go right for my dish soap. Yes, I do. Heavy detergent. It's gonna remove any greasy buildup. You're just gonna lather it into that mossy, green, chemically area, leave it 5 to 10 minutes, rinse out, deep condition. Easy, right? Right, yes. We all have dish soap. Ah! Great, okay. Let's move on to my last thing, heat-free styling. There's gonna be humidity. It's just the nature of it. So, okay, we're already using some heavier oils. That's gonna help. In terms of heat-free styling in the summer, simple products. I go for either my shea butter leave-in, because she's heavy and she's gonna form a nice barrier for me in the hair and keep that humidity out and lock in my moisture and lock in my nutrients so that my hair is happy and well conditioned all summer. Aside from that, I would say a sea salt spray is a great idea. Heat-free, spritz, spritz, scrunch, scrunch, shake, shake, live your best beachy life. Great. Or I've even used some aloe vera gel to define curls. I use it almost like a hair gel or a pomade for a little bit of control. Again, this is a natural product, so if you're going to be swimming and sweating, you're not polluting water with foreign chemicals and contaminants. You're going with something that can break down more easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my summer jam. What else can I say except always carry a bandana so you can cool your neck with some water or ice, so you can cover your hair when it's windy, so you can tie it all up when you just stop caring, or just to get those extra products off your hands, or oh my god, I'm so happy to be outside right now, oh this sweat, and that's it. So really, I guess it's like 5 hair hacks, what to do with the hair in the pool, ways you can utilize sunscreen in the hair, friction-free styling, and heat-free styling. So guys, all summer long, give your hair a kiss. Take care of your skin, take care of your hair. They're made of the same proteins, the same keratins. Let's just take care of them. And of course, stay hydrated. Healthy hair starts from the inside out. So make sure you're drinking a ton of water this summer. I know I'll be. So until next time, guys, I will see you next Tuesday. Check me out on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And all summer, remember to give your hair a kiss, guys.